Log in with your ConnectFacts ID. This is what your Connect Recap dashboard will look like. Recap stands for reliability and capability. It facilitates the user with effective execution of scheduled and calendarized activities. My Activities section lets you understand the tasks that are scheduled and assigned. It further helps in checking details and ensuring whether the defined task is done appropriately and completed. This tool allows you to get things done with an optimized arrangement of critical assets. You can also calculate the compliance of the teams by understanding the usage based on the right job, right person, and right time. Digitize manually allotted jobs from different logs and plans. Organize, assign, track, and review jobs on smart dashboards with Connect Recap. Start your free trial today.